Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to show you our math room on Schoology. The math room has lots of fun things for you to use to help you with your math at home. This morning, we tried our very first problem of the day. We had to use counters. When you go into the math room, you can find the counters right over here. They're this red and yellow circles over here. You can click on that, and it takes you to a special place where you can practice using counters. So I'm going to show you how we can use counters over here. So there's red and yellow circles, and all you have to do is touch them with your finger and drag them to your screen. So I could make different numbers. I can make the number 2. I can make the number 3. I can make the number 1. And then if I want to, I could use the red counters and I could make the number 4. So that's the first thing you could do. You could practice making different numbers. If I want to erase, I'm just going to click this little red circle with the arrow. And I click and it disappears. And so this morning when we were doing our problem of the day, we were working on making addition problems. So showing how we can take two numbers, put them together, and we can get the answer to an addition problem, which is the sum. So if I wanted to show you an addition problem, maybe my first number is going to be 1, and my second number is going to be 2. I'm showing you that 1 yellow counter and 2 red counters makes 3. I could try another one right underneath it, and I could show you that 2 yellow counters plus 3 red counters makes 5. So I'm showing you that I can take two numbers and put them together to get an answer, which is the sum. And I'm just using that by using different color counters. So today, your teachers want you to practice making different numbers using the different color counters. So I made 3 up here by showing 1 and 2. I made 5 by showing 2 and 3. So we want you to practice showing us how to make different numbers. And I don't want you to make a number that's bigger than 10. So if you have more than 10 counters across your screen, that's too big. We want to make numbers that are smaller than 10. So I can make all kinds of different combinations, and you could put 3 or 4 different combinations right here on your screen. If you see, I just put a little space, and I can make some more over here. So you can put a different numbers all over your screen. So we want you to take a screenshot of the different numbers that you made using counters. So to take a screenshot, you push that big circle home button at the bottom of your screen, and then you push the little power button up at the top of your screen. It's a little bit smaller. It's kind of on the edge where your iPad case is. If you push both of those numbers at the exact same time, your screen will kind of blink, and then your picture that you just took will go into your camera roll. And so when you go onto Schoology and you go to submit your picture to your assignment, this screenshot will be in there. So you might need to practice it a few times and then go into your camera roll and see if it's in there, but you'll get the hang of it because we're going to do this all week. So go ahead and start practicing with those counter pieces, and then take a screenshot and then send that picture to your teacher on Schoology. Have fun.